What's up, ketchup? Welcome to episode 2, Island Curry Fried Rice. Let's meet the ingredients. We got 2 cups of rice, about 2 tablespoons of butter, vegetable oil. We got our aromatics. We got onions, we got ginger and garlic. We got some chopped up chicken breast, peas and carrots, frozen, curry powder, allspice powder, basil, salt. We have some toasted coconut and whole peppercorn. We got half an onion over here. So the way I like to cut it is I'm just gonna make like slits down the onion, and I'm not gonna cut it all the way. I'm gonna stop, cut, stop, cut, stop. Then we place it flat, and I cut just down, and we cut it this way. Now we get nice little squares. Next we have the garlic, and we're gonna first take it out of its skin, and the way I like to do it is I like to smash it out, point the blade down, and then from here take your palm and just lightly press. You heard it, right? You heard it kind of smash a little bit. From there, just take it out. Ta-da! Next, we cut up our ginger. Take 2 basil leaves. Just want to roll them up, just like that. And we're going to cut it into strips. Next ingredient, chicken breast. We're going to season the chicken breast with a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, and some allspice. Let's give that guy a toss. Now we wash our hands. Next, we're going to take our room temperature butter and massage it into the rice. We'll season it with salt and curry powder. About a teaspoon of curry powder. And probably about, we'll say about a teaspoon of salt, and then we could always add later. And we massage again. That's what your rice should look like after you massage the butter into it. Now it's time to cook. So we're going to turn our pan on. We're going to add just a little bit of oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a timer, a stopwatch, to see how long approximately it's going to take, because I don't want you guys sitting there bored waiting for the pan to heat up. I got smoke on my end, and it took about... Now, into the smoking hot pan, you carefully add your chicken. You want to constantly move the chicken because you don't want the allspice to burn. And once the chicken is pretty much cooked, and you can see it, gotta flip them a little bit. Add your aromatics. And that is your onion, ginger, and garlic mix. Once your onions start to get some color, add your peas and carrots. Then we add our rice. Now you want to constantly be moving everything, constantly mixing everything, so everything cooks evenly. Make sure you break up any pieces that you didn't get to before. Let's give it a quick taste. And add a little more salt. And some pepper. Give it a toss. Shut it off, taste it again, make sure it is delicious. Hot, good to go. Now we plate. Take the basil that you chopped up and just let it fall from the heavens. Also some of that toasted coconut, let the toasted coconut fall from the heavens. Time to eat. Oh, big bite. Tastes like the islands, man. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Thank you guys for coming by. Peace out.